What's up, y'all? This your boy NAPGITO, aka Vaughn, and today we finally got an exhaust system for the A90 Supra. I got it from AWE. I got that bad boy right here. I've been waiting for a while to see what I'm going to really start with, and I wasn't trying to move too quickly and stuff like that, but you know, I got a little bit of things done to the car. Nothing crazy wise. I got the 2022 model, so you know, I'm about to get ready to show you right here. And here it is right here. Ooh boy, it came in a big ass box, man, but you know, I ain't really caring about that too much. The thing what I want to do, I want to cut with a box cutter on the edges, like going all through here, just like cutting it out and just taking it out, because it has a lot of staples in it. I don't want to try to take forever trying to get the staplers out, and just in case, I don't know if I gotta do something else or carry it, but it's in piece by piece, so I can just definitely take it out. I can definitely put it in the Supra and go to one and get it done. Come go end up going to Low Light Project. Shout out to them. I really appreciate everything they do. But you know, for the end up showcasing, taking a piece by piece out of there and showing everything. So let's get right into it, man. All right, y'all. I'm gonna use the box cutter to go from right up here to all the way down here. The lighting might be kind of bad. I'm recording by myself, so I apologize. But let's get right into it, man. I got that side. I got a little more things. I really hope I don't need to return anything, because I'm tearing this box up. And I'm not trying to freaking pay for no box of anything or trying to carry it, but ooh, okay, it's open. It's open. So let's see. Dang, what is this? Okay, I was surprised, but I'm not sure what is this. But I'm about to get ready to open it up. All right, unlock performance. That was it. Ooh, yeah. All right, this is one of the tips, boy. Ooh, them tips. I got the chrome tips, cause I didn't want to get the black tips because the diffuser is already like on the Supra is black, and I feel like it won't like stick out more. But ooh. That bit crispy. That bit crispy. I like it, man. I like it. And then look. Oh, got a lollipop, boy, and it's cherry. This is the stuff. I think this is the brackets that hold the parts together. So everything like it got the screws and the nuts in here and everything. So we're going over there. That's both of the tips in there. They both looking real good. I like it. They crispy. And here's the next part. The welds are looking real good on it. They're looking real good. They're looking very nice. I know it's kind of dark in here. I apologize, but it's looking real nice. It's looking good, very good shape. So I'm very happy with that. So I was in the word about it, put that down over here. And here you go right here. This is the next part. I think this is the resonator part. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong, but this should be the resonator part. The Tow and Exhaust edition for the A90 Supra. This is like a straight pipe, basically. It has small mufflers, but it's still like a straight pipe, so it's not gonna be like crazy loud or anything. Like I basically say this is just like, you know, a muffler, but you know, I like how it looks. Cause I wasn't thinking if I wanted anything in the back, because the last car that I had, it didn't have no mufflers at all. But I'm pretty cool with this. I like how it look. The design look nice. It's very good on welded and all on the parts like that. Is the last final piece. The welds on it are good. They're good. Alright, y'all, man, it's time to head out and go get this exhaust installed on the Supra. I'm finna head to Low Light that's in Orlando, so let's get it, man.
Much later.
Alright, y'all, I finally got the exhaust on. It been like 2 days basically, kind of, because I had to get a U-Haul to go get the stock exhaust from the place. I really don't want to get rid of it just in case for anything, but you know, I didn't get no flyby inside the car for the cabin and stuff, but I definitely got some, you know, I got some flybys, some revs and stuff like that. So you know, I like it. It sound louder. But I got the resonated Tour edition. I didn't get the track edition. I'm gonna end up trying to get in the downpipe. So right now I have a OEM downpipe, and the aftermarket is also AWE. So anything what's going on with the video, it's not too much anything like that. But in the future, I'm gonna end up getting the catless downpipe, or maybe a catted downpipe. I'm not too sure yet. I'm trying to see what the route.
All right, here's the exhaust. It's way much better in my opinion. It's much louder. It's not crazy loud because I got the resonated Touring edition. It's not the track edition, so I still got mufflers on it. I got the chrome tips on there because the black tips, it's just gonna, you know, blend in with the diffuser. I wanted to stick out more, you know, because it definitely stands out more than the OEM tips. I really love how it looks. It's shiny. It's like a very glossy shine to it. And I was sponsored by AWE. It's not crazy loud, like I said. I probably end up getting a catted downpipe or a catless downpipe in the future to make it louder, if anything like that. But you know, but overall, I love it. I love the exhaust. I can't get rid of the burble because the car is not tuned. I have a 2022 version, so the ECU is locked. But I'd probably look in the future for that, but it's probably like a while from now. But overall, I love the AWE's exhaust system. It's really nice. It's very good quality. It's a good company. I like it. The smell of it, it's not too bad, but it smells like an iron board when you iron clothes or something like that. Like it smells like an iron. Like I don't know, man. It just a smell. And I only really like smell it too much when it's in sports mode. But it doesn't bother me too much. It's been really nice and good. But you know, I'm going ahead and end the video with a little clip. The flyby videos of, it's not really like a true flyby video like on a highway. It just like I had the tripod down, but you know, with that and showcasing the revs and stuff like that. But let's get right to it, man.
Electro Latino.